Dear students, in this class we are going to be discussing about solving some problems based on the colligative property, that is elevation of boiling point. In this one problem has written on the sheet, just observe this. First problem, that is calculate the boiling point of a solution prepared by adding 15 gram of NaCl to 250 gram of water. 250 gram of water. 15 gram of sodium chloride we are going to be adding into 250 gram of water, and they are given that Kb for the water, they are given 0.512 Kelvin kg per mole, and molar mass of the sodium chloride is 58.44 gram they are given. We should calculate that the boiling point of a solution. Boiling point of the solution we should calculate. First, what we should do, what they are given data, that we should be written faster. That is Kb, how much they are given, that is the elevation of boiling, that is the boiling point of elevation constant, that is Kb is equal to, that is 0.512, that is Kelvin kg per mole. This is a unit for this, Kelvin kg per mole. And W2, that is the W2 is nothing but the mass of the solute. Mass of the solute, how much they are given, that is 15 gram, 15.00 gram. Then mass of the solvent also they are given, that we are going to be taken as W1, that is the 250 gram. 250 gram. Then molar mass of the solute they are given, that is going to be M2. M2 how much they are given, that is 58.44 gram. This is about the molar mass of the solute. Now we know that the elevation of the boiling point, increase in the boiling point, that is delta Tb is equal to, that is Kb into M. M is nothing but, that is about the molarity. In this the Kb we are going to be written as it is. Then molarity, the formula we are going to be introducing, the mass of the solute divided by molar mass of the solute, then into 1000 divided by then mass of the solvent. Then for this, introducing the values of this, that is going to be 0, substituting the values of this. Kb is 0.512 into W2 means 15 gram, that is 15 into then 1000 as it is we are going to be written, divided by M2 how much they are given, that is 58.44 into W1 is 250. W1 is 250 gram. Then we are on calculating this, we are going to be delta. We are going to be get that on multiplying this, we are going to be get that 30.72 divided by this, on multiplying we get that 58 point, that is 58.44. This delta Tb we can be written as, that is on dividing this we are going to be get that 0.5256 Kelvin. That is about the increasing of the boiling point. That is nothing but delta Tb is nothing but, we know that delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught. This we are going to be written now. The delta, instead of delta Tb, Tb minus Tb naught. What we should calculate? Calculate the boiling point of a solution. Boiling point of the solution. We know that water, the boiling point of the water is 0 degree Celsius, is nothing but 373 Kelvin. That is boiling point of the water is 100 degree Celsius. The freezing point of the water is 0 degree Celsius. We need the boiling point of the water, that is 100, that is nothing but 373 Kelvin. We are going to be taken as 373 Kelvin. Then this is about the 373. Then TB is equal to TB naught plus 0.5256. This TB naught is equal to 100 degree Celsius. This on converting 100 plus 273, we are going to be get that 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin. That we are going to be written. That is the 373 plus 0.5256. We are going to be get that 373.53 Kelvin. This about the boiling point of the solution. Boiling point of the solution. Like this only we will solve some other problem based on the elevation of boiling point. Just see this problem. That is on dissolving 2.34 gram of solute in 40 gram of benzene. The boiling point of the solution was higher than that of the benzene by 0.81 Kelvin. Is nothing but the change of the boiling point. That is increase of the boiling point. Then Kb value for the benzene 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. Calculate the molar mass of the solute. Here on dissolving solute, this is about the mass of the solute that we are going to be written in the side. That is W2 is equal to 2.34 gram. Then this 40 gram of benzene. This is about the weight of the solvent that we are going to be written. W1 is equal to 40 gram. Then the increase in the boiling point, that is delta TB. How much we are going to get? That is 0.81 Kelvin. Then Kb they are given. That is constant. That is Kb is equal to 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. We should calculate the molar mass of the solute. That is M2 we should calculate. The M2. This is about the calculation of the molar mass of the solute. Then now we know that is the formula which is used to calculate the molar mass of the solute is, that is M2 is equal to Kb into, that is W2 into 1000 divided by delta TB into W1. And this all these they are given. We can calculate the molar mass of the solute now. That is Kb, how much they are given? 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole they are given. W2 is nothing but mass of the solute, that they are given that 2.34 gram. Then 1000 into delta TB is nothing but increase in the boiling point. How much they are given? That is 0.81 Kelvin. Then W1, that is mass of the solvent, that they are given the 40 gram. Introducing these values in this formula. That is introduce the values in this formula. Kb, how much the Kb they are given? That is 2.34. This is about the Kb value 2.53. Kb how much they are given? 2.53 gram Kelvin kg per mole. 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole into W2 how much they are given? 2.34 into 1000 divided by delta TB. How much they given delta TB? That is increase in the boiling point 0.81 Kelvin. 0.81 into WO2, how much they are given? That is 2.34. W1 we need, that is 40. W1 is 40, they are given. Then we should calculate here the kb value, how much? The kb value they are given 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. W2 is 2.34 into 1000 divided by delta TB, that is increase in the boiling point, 0.81 they are given into, that is W1, that is 40 they are given. Then we should calculate this. We are going to be get that the molar mass is equal to 182.72 gram per mole. This we are going to be get the molar mass of the solute. This is about the molar mass of the solute. Otherwise we can be written as the unit in the 182.72, that is gram per mole. Both units are right. Either you should write like this, either you should write like this. This is about the unit of the. ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು, ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೇ. This is about the just check it out the problem. The boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. 353.23 Kelvin when 1.80 gram of a non-volatile solute was dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. Yeah. The mass of the solute they are given, mass of the solute they are given, mass of the solvent they are given. Then the boiling point is raised. Here the TB they are given, TB naught also they are given. This is about the TB, this TB naught, this is about the TB. Then calculate the molar mass of the solute. Kb value they are given. Then first we should calculate the delta TB, that is in the increase in the boiling point we should calculate. Then we can calculate the molar mass of the solute. First what we should do, what they are given that we should be write down first. What they are given? Boiling point of the benzene. The boiling point of the benzene is, that is the boiling point of the pure solvent that we are going to be taken as TB naught. How much they are given? That is 353.23 Kelvin. Then 1.80 gram of non-volatile solute means mass of the solute, that is WO2. WO2 how much they are given? That is 1.80 gram. Then dissolved in 90 gram of benzene. This is about the mass of the solvent, that is W1 is equal to how much? 90 gram. The boiling point is raised to 354 pi. This is about the boiling point of the solution that we are going to be taken as TB. TB is equal to 354.11. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Calculate the molar mass of solute. That is M2 we should calculate. The Kb they are given, that is 2.53 Kelvin kg per mole. That is we should calculate that. What we should calculate? We should calculate the molar mass of the solute. M2 we should calculate. Before calculating M2 we should calculate the delta TB, that is rise in the boiling point. Means we know the formula, that is delta TB is equal to, that is TB minus TB naught. TB minus TB naught. TB how much they are given? That is 353.23 0.23 minus TB naught, how much they are given, sorry, this TB they are given that 354.11 they are given TB, then TB naught is 353.23, that is TB naught is 353.23. Then on subtracting this, we are going to be get that delta TB is equal to 88 Kelvin. We are going to get the 0.88 Kelvin. On subtracting this, we are going to get 0.88 Kelvin. This is about the increase in the boiling point. Now we can calculate the molar mass of the solute. The formula which is used to calculate the molar mass of the solute is M2, that is Kb into WO2 into 1000 divided by delta TB into W1. Here the Kb, how much they are given, 2.53, that is Kb they are given 2.53. WO2, how much is the mass of the solute, that is 1.80 into 1000 divided by the increase in the boiling point. We are calculated that the increase in the boiling point delta TB, that is 0.88 into mass of the solvent, that is W1 is equal to 90. Then on calculating this, we are going to be get that is the M2 is equal to, that is a 58 gram per mole. This is about the answer. The mass of the molar mass of the solute. This the molar, therefore molar mass of the solute, that is M2 is equal to 58 gram per mole. This is about the answer. Means this type of problems they are going to be giving in the examination. These are very important problems. Just solve these problems and the previous years, just collect the previous year papers and solve the problems they are given in the previous papers.